Hello everyone and happy Halloween. I know that this month is almost over. It's so sad and everything, and so is Freaky Fridays. Oh my god. Anyways, so no, today I'm going to be taking and going in with the 35M Morphe palette, the brand new one. So yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of create this really cute, simple, like orange pumpkin look because I wanted a look on here for Halloween that kind of anybody can recreate. Even if you don't have this palette, if you have an orange color or anything like that, you can definitely recreate this look. I wanted it to be very simple, not so many steps to recreate it. I feel like almost anybody could recreate this look very, very easily, especially if you're going out to a dinner party, fall time or something like that, or if you're just, you know, if you're just wanting like a very simple like pumpkin makeup look or something like that. I feel like this right here kind of reminds me of like, I totally want to go to Starbucks and get like a pumpkin latte and just be like, I'm totally basic. Hi. And everything. Not that being basic is wrong, because nothing's wrong with being basic, okay? But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video, so let's go ahead and get that started. So, first things first, I'm going to start off with the brand new Morphe 35M, which, by the way, this palette, the color combination is so gorgeous. Okay, so, as we all know, love Morphe. Had to, could not help myself, but today's look is going to be very simple. I want this look to be kind of a thing that any person can do, especially if you already have an orange and you have like a glitter based orange or something like that. Anybody can do it. Actually, glitter based orange or glitter based green with an orange. Ooh. I don't know. I just want to keep it simple. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to start off with this right here shade, which is absolutely beautiful for this look. It is just a straight up orange color. So that's what I'm going to use for this. I am going to be using a Morphe M441 brush, eye blending brush. Of course, you can use any other eye blending brush, of course. And I'm just going to start this in the crease of the eye, super pigmented. Okay, so I already did the other eye off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and do the under eye over here, and I'm going to be using a pencil brush by Morphe, the M431, and I'm just going to be using that with the same orange shade that we used in the crease, and I'm just going to put that underneath the eye and just build it up and make it really, really dark and thick. Okay, so next up, what I'm going to be doing with the inner portion of the eye right here is I still want to keep everything pretty much just really orange, very pumpkin, very, this year, Halloween. So right next to that beautiful orange shade that we used is this shade right here, which is kind of like a lighter orange, but it also has iridescent, like, kind of like glitter, and it's a beautiful color. Just the swatch of it itself is just really gorgeous. And when you wet a brush with this, it's going to turn like a metallic orange. So I'm going to be using a large packing brush, and I'm going to use, my apologies, my throat today. And I'm going to be using setting spray, and a lot of setting spray, because I want this to be like really wet. And then I'm just gonna load up my brush with a lot of that. It's gonna be like painting, and then I'm going to spray that again, get it really wet, and then just start applying that. Oh, that is so gorgeous. And I just want to kind of like pat, but then I also want to kind of spread too, because that's how you get that like flat, shiny surface. And then I'm gonna grab some more product, just a little bit more. I want that color to really shine through. And I'm bringing it all the way to the inner portion of the eye. Wow, that is just gorgeous, subtle, but very simple, and just so impactful at the same time. It's just so beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lipstick. I already did my mascara, lashes, contour, and highlight off camera because it's essentially literally all the same. Unless it changes, then I'll start like, you know, da-da-da-da. But no, so the lipstick that I'm gonna be using is from Lips by Victoria. It is this right here shade, which is totally gorgeous. It's like this burnt red color. And the name of this is LMONI. So yeah, so let's get down to doing some lipstick. Okay, that shade is so fitting for this look. Anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I know there wasn't videos last week, but if you take and check in on Tuesday's video tomorrow, then you'll take and see like a little bit of a life update and everything. We'll kind of sit and chit chat for a little bit. And then I have some other stuff coming out and everything that I want to sit down and kind of talk to you guys about and everything. But anyways, I love you all and everything. I hope you guys have enjoyed Freaky Fridays this right here entire month. This coming up Friday is the very last episode of Freaky Fridays. I know it's very, very sad, but just to let you know and everything, it will be back, and ever so often out through the year and everything, hopefully I'll be able to take and bring some Freaky Friday episodes to you guys. So I'll just kind of like surprise those on you guys. So I'm not gonna, you know, what just happened? Anyways, so yeah, I'm not gonna just, you know, I'm not gonna promote it or anything. I'm just gonna be like, surprise, there's a Freaky Friday episode this month. So yeah, because I know that you guys have really been loving them and stuff, because it's totally different compared to anything else that I do on regular Makeup Mondays, because I do like a small film production and everything for the beginning of those videos, so like little skits, and then later on, you know, and then I just do the rest of the, you know, tutorial and stuff, and I try my best to put as much information in it. I know some of those videos seem like very, like, I seem a little repetitive because I keep like talking about the same thing over and over again. It's just, I want to be able to put as much information into the videos as possible, so that way if you guys want to recreate any of those looks, you can, and have enough information to be able to do it. But anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to create this right here, really simple look for you guys today and everything for Halloween. Anyways, I love you all. Please make sure to like, subscribe, become a member of the Angel Group of the Angel Army, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! Hey everybody, today's video is brought to you by Patreon. If you're interested in Patreon, the link is in my description.